Well, good morning, guys. In this video, I didn't record the intro, so I'm going to do a voiceover here. But in the clip, you're seeing me head to see Dell. We were going to meet up at the Boise stage stop. We had breakfast together. We had a good time. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use the downhill assist mode in the next gen and the older gen Freightliners. This goes for our company, May Trucking. It doesn't go for the old trucks. It only goes for the trucks that are equipped with it. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll check in with you guys here in a little bit. Well, we just met up with Dale. I didn't record the interaction, but he's right over there in his truck. He's eating lunch right now. We went and got some burritos from Boise stage stop. We didn't want to get something big to eat, so we just got a burrito. And we ate, we talked for a little bit, we caught up.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go.
Alright, so we just passed the Cabbage weigh station and chain check station, and we're about to see the signs on Cabbage to tell you how fast you need to go depending on what weight you are. Currently there is road work on Cabbage, and I got the right lane only right now. Usually you can do both lanes, but the sign reads currently we weigh about 70,000 pounds. And if I'm not mistaken, that's like Cabbage wanting us to do like 20 something miles an hour. Yeah, so 70,000 to 75,000 is 22 miles per hour. So downhill assist works by holding your speed at a certain speed. Right now I have it set to 40 until I get down here, and then I'll crank it back down a little bit. But downhill assist will hold the speed that you're at as long as you don't have too much momentum. Once you break that threshold of momentum, your J brakes won't do anything. It's just you'll find out. And but the way you use downhill assist mode is you set your cruise control and you push cancel on your cruise, and then you set your Drake level to 1, 2, or 3. And then you push resume. That's all you do. That's how you get down Cabbage and all these big mountains without having to use your brakes. And that's how you avoid getting down to the bottom of the mountain and having to pull over and use a fire extinguisher to shut your brakes off and fire. You know, but here are your off ramps. Use them if you have to. Kinda, if you need to, you done fucked up. But anyway, guys, we're gonna finish down Cabbage. Hope you guys enjoy the time-lapse footage of how to do it. And I'm gonna get down here without using my brakes at all because of downhill assist mode. All right.
is it so hard to let you go?
Well, anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're still currently in the hotel. Our truck is having more issues than what we thought it was having. So, hopefully it'll be done by Wednesday is what they're shooting for. But I mean, being down for a week. But praise the Lord for day pay. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a like in the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check out the Facebook page in the description down below. Peace.